In this lesson, we customize your Autodesk Fusion experience. Some of you will just go with the presets and some of you will change settings. Let me empower you. Maybe you want to customize Fusion based on your personal needs, your company standard, or your industry needs. Customization can be a great way to increase efficiency. It's a two-edged sword though, so don't overdo it. You can easily add your favorite commandos to the toolbar. Just hover over the commando, click on the three dots and check Pin to Toolbar. Uncheck the box to remove an item from the toolbar. Press keyboard shortcut S to reach Design shortcuts. You will reach Sketch shortcuts and get access to Sketch tools, not Design shortcuts and Design tools if you are in the contextual Sketch environment when you press keyboard shortcut S. Search for commandos in the search window. You'll also see some easily accessible commandos above the search bar in the toolbox. I'll show you two workflows that will add a command to the toolbox. One way is to search for the commando and press the Add to Shortcuts arrow. Another way is to find your commando from the toolbar and check Pin to Shortcuts. To remove the command, search for it and press the Remove button. It's easy for you to change keyboard shortcuts in Autodesk Fusion. This is a great way to improve efficiency. Find your item from the toolbar and select Change Keyboard Shortcut. There are 5 scenarios you should know about here. First, if you select a free shortcut key, then you can go on and just press OK to assign the shortcut. You can also combine shortcut keys, for example, hold Shift and I to assign a shortcut like this one. Secondly, if you select a taken shortcut key, you'll have a conflict. You'll be notified that the shortcut key will be removed from another commando if you choose to continue. Thirdly, some shortcut keys are reserved. There is a link to reserved shortcut keys in the course resources. A reserved shortcut key cannot be changed. Number 4. Just leave the window blank to remove a shortcut key. And finally, the 5th and final thing. If you want to reassign your shortcut key to default, just press the Return to Default option. Your saved shortcuts, which you reach with keyboard shortcut S, are also found via the right-click menu, also called the marking menu. You also find other options such as Repeat commando, which will show the latest command you used and other popular commandos. You can also enter the contextual sketch environment and continue with your sketch from here. The right-click menu is a great option that will allow you to work fast without moving your mouse around too much. Hold Shift and your middle mouse button to orbit around your design. This is a useful way to inspect your work from different angles. A small green dot appears when you orbit. This is your orbit center. Right-click the canvas and select Set Orbit Center when you need a custom setup. Likewise, right-click and select Reset Orbit Center if you change your mind or want to reset your settings to default. You can change many settings within your design. For example, you'll find active units under Document Settings or via Design shortcuts. You can also adjust your preferences from the application menu in the top right corner. Here, you will find program-specific shortcut presets which are valuable if you come from another program such as Inventor or SolidWorks. Other common adjustments are orbit settings, default tuning settings for new designs, and automatic recovery backup intervals.